Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to say your location for custom hours in iOS 27 or later. Saying your location can be useful when you want friends or family to know where you are, but sometimes you only need to share it for a specific period. In iOS 27 and later, Apple makes this more flexible by introducing custom durations for location sharing. Instead of choosing from preset time limits, you can now set an exact date and time when your location settings should automatically expire. This gives you greater control over how long someone can see your location and eliminates the need to remember to turn setting off manually. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the Find My app on your device, and then you have to hit Start Sharing Your Location option. Now you have to search for the people you want to share your location with and select them. Then you have to choose the custom option in the drop down menu. Then you have to perfectly adjust the duration in keeping with your requirement. And finally, you have to hit the start sharing option and you're all set. You will now get an alert that you have started sharing your location with your friends. Later, if you ever want to stop sharing your location with your friend, just go back to the Find My app and then hit the People tab. After that, you have to hit the three dot button next to the name of the person. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Stop Sharing Your Location and confirm it when prompted. And that's all there is to it. The all-new custom location sharing duration in iOS 27 or later is a small but useful improvement for anyone who regularly shares their location. So whether you need to share your whereabouts for a few hours until a specific day or through a particular time, you can now choose an exact expiration point. Once the selected time arrives, location setting automatically ends, giving you more control and privacy without requiring an extra step. And that's pretty much it. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.